Did you know that hiccups are actually caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm? When this muscle spasms, it pulls air into the lungs, and that sudden rush of air causes your vocal cords to snap shut, creating the classic hic sound. Stress, spicy foods, and even drinking carbonated beverages can trigger these pesky interruptions. Interestingly, some researchers believe hiccups might be a leftover reflex from our evolutionary past, possibly helping our ancestors with breathing while eating. So next time you get the hiccups, remember it's not just annoying, it's a quirky reminder of our body's history.